Hi everyone, it's Fiona again. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on today and show you some of my latest printable kits. So I have a couple. This one here is called Spring Blooms, and I've added a lot of sort of artsy drops and splotches and few letters and numbers into the background, and it's predominantly kind of pinks and blues, this one, and it's got a lot of little spring birds in it. I'm going to be making a spring journal with this one. So here are the pages. First one, then we've got this one, I think there are 10, I think there's 10 pages in this one. Got them upside down for some reason. This one, I love this beautiful flower here. This one. And this one, beautiful blue flower. This one. And the other three are kind of background pages, which you can print on the back if you want to. So that one's got the blues on there. And this one's with pinks. I think you can see them. And this one has the blue and the pinks through there. And it's just 2 sheets of ephemera. Yeah, I've printed them twice. So we've got some tags there and some smaller tags. And then we've got some circles and little rectangles, and then a couple of tag shapes. Yeah, not sure what these shapes are called. So that is the spring blooms, and I might actually do an add-on for that one with a few more elements. And I will link these in the description box also. So the other one I wanted to show you is called, I've got my pages all mixed up now. It's called Mellow Yellow, and it is very yellow, predominantly a yellow kit. And most of the pages I've created, they're kind of more background pages. Some of them have focal elements on, like this one, but there's a lot of background sort of patterned paper, which I think is great for you to embellish over the top, and with whatever you want to. And because it's all predominantly yellow, you could add whatever colour you want for your embellishments, like a blue or perhaps a green, or maybe even a purple. So anyway, I'll show you the kit. It's got 20 pages altogether. So you've got 12 background papers, full pages, and then 8 embellishments sheets. So this is a beautiful polka dot yellow with I think they're ranunculus. I'm not really sure, but I think that's what they are. And this is like a sunburst one with some yellow roses in the corners there with the green. And here's another sunburst with more of an orangish colour. And then you've got the yellow roses on this green oh, not paisley, I was going to say paisley. These are, what do you call these patterns? Damask, sorry, yeah. So there, that's, and the background is sort of distressed, and it's got sort of blue and yellows through it with that one. Now this one's similar, but the background's different, so it's a bit more vintagey, vintage kind of a yellow, still with the green. This one has, it's yellow with very faint orangish damask and some grungy blues and greens through there. I've actually got a new setup, a new sort of filming setup. So I'm hoping that you can see this okay. It kind of looks quite dark to me. I'm hoping that it doesn't turn out as dark as what it looks, you know, while I'm filming it. But we shall see. So this one's just yellow with the orange damask. And this one. And then this one is a little bit more dramatic, but I use these beautiful yellow flowers with the burgundy around. So I thought I'd carry that burgundy into the pattern there. This one's a very pale yellow with very faint damask pattern in there. This one I might have already showed you. I did print some of the pages a couple of times. This is the plain polka dot. You've seen that one. That one. Okay, so that's all the pages. So now we have the ephemera, and these are some largish tickets. But you can see with mine that I made a mistake with my printing, so they've cut off the edges, and I should have clicked on shrink to fit. So if you do that, it will fit on the page. So, but I'm still going to use these. And I'm going to make actually a mini album with this yellow kit rather than an actual journal. So we've got 3 tags there, and then a strip which could be a belly band or a pocket. Got some ovals here. And then some journaling cards. And some little tags. Then I've got a paper bag, a polka dot one. We have a couple of envelopes, this one and this one. And then we have a couple of pockets there. So that's all I wanted to show you today, and I will be making some projects shortly with these, and I'll probably film my process. So I hope you look forward to that. So the links will be below the video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.